Okay, so do you want to make banana bread with me today? Yeah, okay. All right, so let me tell you what we have. We only have 5 ingredients. Can we count it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 3 ripe bananas, a 1/4 cup of maple syrup, 2 cups of oats, 2 eggs, and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Yep, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put everything into a bowl. Okay, so there's our bananas. And then we're gonna do the oats. Can you help me? Good job. And then we're gonna do the maple syrup. Good job. Okay. And then we're gonna do the eggs. Good job. And the baking soda. Ready? Good job. Okay. So now we're gonna take our baking dish. We're gonna grease it, which I'm just using a spray, but you could use butter. Sometimes I use a little olive oil. And then I need your help. We're gonna put, ready to help me? Okay. We're gonna scoop this. Can you put your hand on here? Good job. Scoop it in. And that's it. Then we just bake it at 350 for 35 minutes. And we'll put all this in the recipe too, right? Do you want to have some banana bread with me when this is done? See how we spread it nice and smooth? Cool. It's flourless banana bread, so it's healthy for us too. All right, we ready? Yeah. Okay, so I wanted to show you our cafe oven because it's Wi-Fi enabled, which means I can turn it on from my phone. So I set it up. I'm just gonna go to our lower oven, which is another feature that I love. We've got an upper and a lower oven, so I can cook 3, 4 different dishes at different temperatures. Baked goods, 350, start. Turned it right on, and I preheated it so that you can see it hit 350 before I put in our banana bread that we made. So it'll be heated up in literally just a second. It'll chime once it hits to 350. Café has the best little chimes. I absolutely love them. And da-da-da-da, it should be done in just a second. So what I love also is just this lower oven. It does have 2 racks within here. And it has a really nice self-clean feature too that you can also enable. We oftentimes use the lower oven and we keep our griddle pan in the upper oven. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in, and our banana bread cooks for 35 minutes. Okay, so I just took the banana bread out and I wanted to show you to see if it's done. I stick a fork, you can do a toothpick, but it's clean. So it's done and it looks awesome. We can't wait to try it. I'll share more.